You're looking at a 2021 Tesla Model Y Performance, dual motor, all electric, all-wheel drive with 20,000 miles. This car comes fully loaded. ABS, traction stability control, premium wheels, red calipers, 21-inch wheels, front trunk storage, full self-driving, fully paid for. Red exterior, white premium interior, full power options. We've got 20,410 miles, full self-driving, premium connectivity. That has to be paid for, but heat pump, full self-driving is fully paid for. It is all-wheel drive, 0-16, a little bit over 3 seconds. Cameras, the blind spots. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated wipers, biohazard defense mode, wireless charging, nice deep storage down here, another storage right in here, steering wheel. Car is in excellent shape. Power tailgate. It's a nice clean car. Absolutely no story, still under full factory warranty. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.